Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Kev Shakir and I'm foundation level student at High School Affiliate University Islamabad. And today I'm doing my TEDx talk and my topic is Can I Have Your Brain? The quest for truth about concussion and CTE. Have you ever wondered what happened to the brain after years of repeated hits to the head? A concussion may seem like a temporary injury. Someone might feel dizzy, confused, or have a headache, and then appear completely fine after a few days. But scientists have discovered that repeated head impacts can sometimes have effect that last much longer. This is where CTE or chronic traumatic comes into the story. CTE is a progressive disease associated with repeated head impacts. It has been studied especially in athletes involved in contact sports such as American football, boxing, and hockey. But here is the difficult question: how can scientists know what is really happening inside the brain? One important part of the answer is brain donation. Researchers can study donated brain after a person's death. They examine the brain tissue under a microscope and look for changes associated with CT and other neurological conditions. This research has helped scientists understand that repeated head impacts can be connected to change in brain structure and function. But there is an important uh, distinct distinction. Not every concussion causes CT, and scientists are still working to understand exactly why some people develop the issue while others do not. Researchers are also studying symptoms that may appear during life, including problems with memory, thinking mode, behavior, and movement. However, these symptoms can have many different causes, so they cannot by themselves confirm that someone has CTE. That is why research is so important. One researcher who has become well known for raising awareness about brain donation is Chris Nowinski. Chris Nowinski, a former professional wrestler and so founder of the Concussion Legacy Foundation. His work has encouraged athletes and families to think seriously about brain health and scientific research. The question, can I have your brain, may sound shocking, but behind it is a powerful scientific idea. A person's brain can become a source of knowledge that may help researchers understand brain injuries and poten- potentially protect future generations. The goal is not simply to study what went wrong in someone's brain. The goal is to learn how we can prevent injuries, recognize problems earlier, improve treatment, and make sport safer. Every concussion should be taken seriously. If someone experience symptoms after a head injury, they should be evaluated by a appropriate healthcare professional and should not rush but back into activities before they are ready. The human brain is incredibly complex and sometimes understanding how to protect it begins by carefully studying what happens when it is injured. Because every brain study can potentially teach science something new, and that knowledge could help protect millions of brain in the future. Your brain is not just who are you, it is also one of the greatest mysteries in science. So viewers, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet it in the next video. The office.